Tinetie Mary. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Vera from Kenya, Africa. So guys, today we are going to harvest arrowroots. So guys, as you can see, I'm ready to go to the farm. With me here, I have panga, I have a sack, and I have an African kiondo. In my native language, we call it kiondo. So drop a comment section, tell me how you call it this bag. So guys, I'm walking towards my farm. Look at this guys. I have to wear my gumboots because arrowroot farm are so muddy. You wait and see guys.
Nakinya kiondo. Yeah. African tradition.
African tradition. This is how we do it here.
Yeah.
Already in the farm. This is what we call arrowroot. So this is what we call popo. It's not yet ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Vera from Kenya, Africa. So today guys, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Yes. So today guys, I want to show you how we harvest arrowroot. Already I'm in the farm. I want to show you. So guys, this is what we call potato. As you can see, it's not yet ready.
Kio sokia ndo sokia. Agekira mayo. Ndo arere. Wadudu matikari. Wagekira thumu uguo.
No karikia. So gutiri hindi ati igathira ati ugeka. Todiagwa itithiraga. We harvested one. Arrowroot. Look at these arrowroot. Yeah. Wow. So far too. Hapo narudisha. So this is how we harvest arrowroots here in Africa. Hope you are still following. Yes. So guys, after harvesting your arrowroot, the remaining stem, you have to replant it again, and the leaves you have to surround it into that stem again to replant. You can see guys. So the reason we are surrounding it with its own leaves is to control pesticide, and again it acts as a fertilizer. See guys. Na mbona hizi ziko na ni kama zimekuliwa na mahuti? Oh. Uwe.
uguo haha na uguo. Ukona no ikorwo iri iko na kitu. Kuna zingine hazina.
Wow. Hiyo ni kubwa.
Ikoragwo hinya niki. Ndirona. Ndada kuangalia. Uraje gutemera haha uguo. Ndirona. Ni mai. Umeweka wapi?
Nimeweka hapa. You see? Nagarikia na ngathambia moko.
Nani uguo. Riu ora ni kumigutha ni ngumitinetie miri. Ndimiguthe? Ndiuma na kindu kinene.
But hena ria.
Yatire no yari ya mbira tigana nayo. Okay. Kaige thi, gakomie thi urengere thi. Gakomie thi.
Dinie?
Komia thi utinie, komia thi tiri-ini. Tiri-ini biũ one ũguo. One ũguo, nĩgetha ndigakugie ngundi hau thi.
Haha naho nyenje?
Nja inene nĩ gwĩthamba hau rũĩ. Nja inene nĩ gwĩthamba hau rũĩ. Renga mweo. Iga igũrũ one hau. Hau he sawa, hau he sawa. Oya mahuti haria mari wikire. Caria oya mahuti haria mari.
Niguo?
No amona i.
Niguo. We are done. Kega ũguo. Ithando me.
Nyara. Ndahanda rĩmwe nĩ ũguo.
Atĩ rĩu ũrĩũkaga rĩu ĩndona ũroka ũkaruta ũgacokia.
Ayyo. Iyo nĩ nene. Nĩgetha gũtinia mĩri ĩno biũ.
Ũkũ wenda gũkorwo wĩ very keen ndũgeteme.
Gaka nĩ gatu. Ĩĩ ta ĩyo nĩ ngero. Ĩno ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo maĩ-inĩ ĩkoragwo ĩ njega mũno. Na ndĩ ũndũ ĩkoragwo.
Ĩyo no nĩ njega biũ.
Ona ndiratindanĩra atĩ ngĩka atĩ.
Gũcimba.
Maĩ-inĩ. Ngĩka atĩ aho.
Wĩna kĩrĩa nene biũ.
Iyo ĩikara kũrĩa.
Yagĩrĩte biũ.
Hau unaona harĩa twambĩrĩra. Ĩno nĩ njega.
Tigacu. Guys, guess what? I saw a frog. Oh my goodness, I was about to run. Who else fear frogs like me? Guys, wow, that is it. Hope you have enjoyed my video. So guys, you can see I have a kiondo. This is what we call kiondo. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.